So before this video gets started, if you're looking for a way to start making money, there's an awesome way to do so right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing now for over 5 years. And guys, I've been making, look at this, over $10,000 per month. This is on just one of my several YouTube channels. And as you can see, I've made over 50,000 bucks just this year so far, and it's only May. And then if you go to last year, oh gosh, I made over $120,000 just on one channel. That's over $10,000 a month. And this allowed me to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now here in Southern California. And for the first time ever, I'm actually teaching you how to create your own faceless YouTube channel so that you can also hopefully start making thousands of dollars a month. And for the first 100 people who sign up, there's a 30-day free trial. You can sign up, try it out, join, watch the video. There's a 50-minute video teaching you everything you need to know to create your own, giving you ideas and just giving you all the resources to get started. And then there's a group chat where I will be interacting with you and helping you out along the way. So click the link below, join the 30-day free trial, and maybe, it'll change your life just how it did mine. I used to be in massive credit card debt. I worked minimum wage jobs. I worked Uber. I worked Lyft. I worked at selling knives on Cutco. Worked at a bookstore. I did everything, okay? But doing YouTube really, guys, changed my life, and I'm excited to hopefully help some of you guys out too. You don't need any experience, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a following at all. So click the link below to start your 30-day free trial if you'd like. Otherwise, let's get started with the video.
Uber CEO says minimum wage law in Seattle has hurt the people that it's supposed to protect.
Huh. This just came out today.
Yeah.
Minimum wage law in Seattle has hurt the people. So the Uber CEO guys, he's finally exposing the truth. He all of a sudden now really cares about drivers. After all this time, he finally came out today, my friends, and he cares about the drivers. Y'all know how much money this guy is worth? Dara Khosrowshahi net worth. Take a wild guess. This dude.
2 million.
Huh?
170 million?
According to this one, yeah, he makes $42 million a year.
Oh my God.
He sold Uber stock worth $79 million.
He's worth at least 215 million. That's crazy.
Yeah, this one says 250 million. Yeah, this guy's so rich.
That's a
But
lot of
how does he make his money? He makes money off of like everyday people. Basically, I mean, yeah, like people who like rent their cars to drive for Uber, like that's how he makes his money. Off every little ride, he gets a little bit of a cut. Anyways, this guy, I personally feel like he's a little bit out of touch. Like I don't think he's the best person to be the CEO, but I don't know. Maybe he does really care about drivers. Let's read this part.
Yeah, so the Uber CEO said he's expecting a positive outcome from a potential vote this week in Seattle to move forward with a proposal that would revise recently implemented minimum pay requirements for food delivery drivers. So the controversial minimum wage standards were a topic of discussion during Uber's quarterly earnings call with analysts this morning, demonstrating the attention on the regulatory debate over driver pay happening in Seattle.
Yeah, so Uber and DoorDash responded by adding a $5 fee for every single order.
Wow.
Demand has dropped considerably since then. Yeah, no duh.
Yeah, order volumes decreased 45% in Seattle.
And what do you think happens to the drivers? They get less pay.
Yeah.
What an absolute joke. DoorDash said the current minimum wage law in Seattle requires a company to pay drivers $26 an hour of active delivery time. So that's only times when that's while they're not waiting.
Yeah.
So.
And before you pay for miles. Or yeah. Okay. Anyways. And before tips.
Uber and Lyft are also fighting new driver wage regulations in Minnesota, where the companies have threatened to leave. Yeah, it's exactly right, guys. If Uber and Lyft have to pay drivers more, they go, we'll just leave the area. What a joke. All right, moving on to the. Is that you?
Yeah, sorry.
Moving on to the next one. Oh, so you think that's gonna be the end of Uber?
Oh,
Well,
no.
in Minnesota, it literally could be because they threatened to end it.
Yeah.